Unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo watu wote na
Ribya umwanjwa umurigerali lituko litanga kegima lyo mutinyi oga 5 na 3 wo mwaka wa 2025 chinga kya manganya kabakani kwa chinsemo ime na isiko ya gusi umwanjwa umurigerali lituko lya kabire se aikyombe go sababu atani beserikali go sabali ba kwegerera serikali yo murayibu ense musike William Samoei Ruto banyakabaka netaro cyabo ime ya gusi lituko lyo goroni barenge ime county ya Kisii na lero niko batara county ya Nyamira na boigo nigo aboro kigwa bali banyakaba gukora amasomo abo muna abateresa baganyakaba gutuma gucyasa kinyagitari buna chi intern go seba chikonyakaba kwegera emiremo nigo abange babo bakwe murungani kubwatekania na baroke wetani chemi isato kotomwaka gose korusigwa ase omorobelio yu kira kitugo cyo kwana letu kuri lero asito gutwara ime studio Joel Nyange na kiage na boigo Isaya Bosire bachikonya akabaga tobirengera byabo na ali banyakaba gwetera kubwatekana munege tabugero gya serikali gwetera se omora igosomo waziri bwa obo chenu omosikadani bale Edward ekene kionga chinsa ibere ase enchira yobo ikiranu ncheni gongoro kwaro ni ototo nyangiri tokubwatera na kwanza imenyerelio nigo akoro kwa Wilson Makoli aya negatia na kwariganiro mwancho muligerali ase kionga chinsa ibere magaro balero
SHA inaumiza wananchi wetu. Mheshimiwa William Ruto, huwezi ambia mwananchi ati unataka alipe SHA mwaka mzima.
Omoseneta we county ya Nyamira kogendera kwa mochia omorobeli osha
estima po wate mechanene to wate mechande menene, but as we speak today Nyamira eire 800 million
ababwatani bali bagosegeta serikali kumirana ase county ya Nyamira kwerera ali serikali yaberege gokora
into the online job market, acquire the best jobs, multitask, do 10 jobs in a month.
Egati yaborokigwa kurwa se bunge ya West Mugirango kwenye legislative magiga yogosoma amasomo yechi computer. Yomono kimo mwancho mu ligerali kionga chinsabire ni gotoko cha kurwase county ya Nyamira stokumanye gwabona abamenyi kurwase county ya Nyamira nababwatani kurwase chisekta nigo litkulia lero basangerekana ase nsemo yali nsune ime ye bunge ya Borabu ase gikaro yokwerera ali serikali yo musike William Ruto yabege gukora ase myaka 3 abeire ABC omanyego yo nigo orawa no mochevu wepu omusike Silvana Sosoro negati yabaraibande be serikali angamo no yokabeire gose no yokubwatia oyo okorekanite lituko liegoro ase county ya Kisii kokwana chinga kiechio nigo abange bagokera eburaibwa bono na boigo kubolia bagendera konekali kwa amagendero munago tumanyi mulikito Daniel Ontiri
magega yabamenyi kurwase county ya Kisii gosanga na baraya baiga kurwase rongo rogusi na muno bali bara serikali ase lituko lya kaberero na sabamenyi be county ya Nyamira asomwega waliganigwa asensemo yari ensune ime yebunge ya Borabu Mwegoyega ni gwikiranwa na barai au baragwa n'umuske Silvano Sosoro mubunge w'ebunge ya Kitutu cha North umuske Jafeth Nyakundi mimedrepwe county y'Umuswati Jerusha Mumanyi oliwe county ya Kisii umuske Donya Doris Aburi umuske Steve Mugaka igati ya bandabange n'echinga kecho abarai yabo bateba bunesa babwenene bakumubwate siri umuske Ruto na magendro ayo haikiranirie.
Kwanza tunashukuru kwa yale ambaye ametupa yale mabarabara ambaye yalikuwa yamekwama, kama hii barabara ya hapa Makara kielekea Isoge mpaka Manga inaendelea, kuna masoko ambazo zinaendelea. Tunataka kumshukuru sana kwa hayo, lakini bado sisi tunaomba mengine mengi, kwa sababu hii ni jamii kubwa sana.
Tuachane kile ngoso atore serikali naenda bantu bamito tigamba tebe at least nyasaye otokonyire ntogoro nama ite gusanonoka moko ndamero mongi noyo ntogoro gago kwana abajumbe ntuliri toko bange bintu kemaene njerusha gototebi na kidonya tigakwayerera enomoke wati gochigaiga nachikoligereria aro no enesterire rakoya kamafuta obusio boroboterere nabwati jerusha
twa mere bullet tugateba na bantu tigatoreme goikatoka no ntoko tigabantu baitu nyadokoramu tigabantoramu
bateba kurwaso abisi amange haonchulirie egatiabo gukina kumubaro waborokia abo bali kwemeremo nabande bakiniwe birogo hasobokorerie naigo kugania nkororo kukumusuguma ara sebipindi bibere
William Ruto ina reluge gosokia marigaki ina reluge konge para ina reluge konge stima ina reluge konga chibe sando seri skuru na gendrese korosi tubwatira nabantu bagusi especially bali tole bogiranga gotokoro kwa bagirange sauri twagirete ngo echuiri ya chete waitogeti tukanyerigereriga na maringo tonyeite titorie ekagenda iri twagirete tugakora bono ntokogira serikali na ende
ndobwate kazi mtaani gochakere asaba murabaito kazi mtaani is being launched very soon osoraba baetie budget wakayebeka ime oyino mheshimiwa William Ruto eli yakatato university education ono iga capitation yeliko nyemogo tebikunga ya chire 16,000 in fact ngorwere 22,000 osoro nainde mbachi etebakaligere ligendekyo nainde ko kinere agende ko chigorake more than even the 22,000
ase karekyo boigo nigo abaraya baiga bamomocha uyo kabero mokonyi bo morai wense umuske Geoffrey Rigathi Gachagua ase chinkwana chae no kubama mincha we serikali ra robono bateba umurai abisi na bwenete koegwa chinga kichinyoro chugo ikirania magendro.
Wewe ulishindwa kuconvince wabunge wakupigie kura, hata wakura tana hukupata. Utakuja kuconvince nani hapa sijui wananchi milioni 50 na kuzunguka tu hivi, na unakuja kututishia ukiwa huko ngambo mbali. Si ukuja hapa Kisumu jaribu kututishia ukiwa kwa kwenda kabisa. Mnamwambia kwenda asikwende. Akwenda asikwende. Eze tatu ndio tende kutoka isikia serikali. Mtaka kwa ngaina. One tayo. Na wanyanga chaguo yo kategia watu karua serikali. Manya abegete kina gopinga impeachment yaye. Tago yani ekoti yetebelero nga etwa murusiti entrembe. Irana. Yani musacho liara irane bwango sana.
diria renge serikali ya renge goteba ntobwati shares taibo bono iga na ria goteba itu cousins ango montori ochire Nairobi moko mwakere simtani kobogere simi okoba wate gasi dirie gasi aereri okoira na gusi okotebi umwana omito nkonyi
Ngurubodregeta seni kagatembe kurega se kaunti ya Nyamira ilitrane nguruko Daniel Untiri
ase omusangergano yoyo bwababwatani ba serikali ya Prodbed oyokoleka chinseme echo chieri ensune nigo habarayi balia bale isiko ya serikali basiemwe byara na kuboligwa goso ase serikali negati ya balia baikirana nigo batogia egetambokero ikyo nabo igo kolia eira gochia kobwatirana amone serikali elikonyara kaba bakoyanekia amagendro goso bakoyanekeligwa amagendro imse yoborayi bwaye omurayi bwenso muske William Ruto na nemono ase bagendete kuyarigania ne taro gochia ase amagacho bomenyo bw'omurayi bwense State House Mulikito Paul Kapokara na mangi
bagukwa na somusangerekano yoiga ase chinseme chigacheli ensune abahara yabaiga nane nao bakweberekerera serikali nigo bagende ko bakubenga gati abarai bande abo batali gokomo ase emirubiri ya gisiasa
Nyamira no abasacha bali bagochorwa bo ambassador bateba nga perekea mama yako Nyamira no mujumbe bwa serikali omujumbe Ruto boli akomoro kimatarau ogenda gukora ibintu binde. That is why ntageta Nyamira by State House yabanyene egekorera liguriria itori ya sarekire liguriria itori sarekete mobesa egere to restore confidence ya serikali ya Kenya batugorere bintu nje narorire igoreko igoka kamura njeri tukeria State House ichitwezi bitoende tuambane bintu ebi totore Nyamira.
Mimi kama mama wa Nyamira siendi tena kutafuta kiti ya women rep. Mimi nataka kwenda kuwa gavana kwa Nyamira.
Kulingana na baraboni ko bagende ko bagatoge mirubiri ya serikali yabo tukiri kuchase chi county au asebate biringa ase chintunda chigocha nigo serikali yabekire mirubiri mekiranu uchasora gongo rwa gusina nene ya county ya Nyamira
na umutinyu gocha ngwaka na tore another 60% chi contractor chonsi chira ne para atorose ri para chetu. As we speak, Gusia, estima, po wate mechanene to wate mechane menene. But as we speak today, Nyamira eire 800 million. Babe kirama ante estima, kilo mondanyo ole estima. Nonye bali bago tara botuko, tubabe kere dibago eta, baite buya mbaba siko gocho. Eyure buya gosere boro. Lakini mogo to tevinga turua, toge ende Moina kende nkeyo oneta yole moina nonyo yole moina nere moina ata ketoko soa es William Ruto nera nyole gento abeke mun
na sinsema yabonencho wekena sayiga nigo batugire umurubiri yiga oyo boigo olingete kunyara ko bago ko babeka asumurubiri bwo kunyara ko bago talira umurayo munene bwense ase nyomba y'oburayi igento kolengana muna barabo batugire na kulira ngamba kunyara ko bawikia ebiriro byabo buna Nyamira osyo umurayo munene bwense
omugusi omugimota Nyamira abona na tobeke gente media nabagusibonsi bitware nga kali abantu babere batatu bagenda batinase ke tobabeke gente media bayitia totayo tere ngento mwakora igo mwakora taso bwa mo 20 twakwa ne jogiremo
abaraya baito soro ayamuno moto minto payo home Toire State House, ekila kitu atera raiga. Gene ndio tuacha, kutoka kwa Ruto face to face. Robo gavana ito cherusa. Aba kumuto kwera to sibebi lebi wejumotwe.
Para ya kora bantu baito aiga kijauri. Eba addressed ebe ku crime bin. Efra ebe ku ya bantu baito bogima bora bo 2027 totenna William Samuel Ruto.
Ginko ripoti ligitasini kia wanjite kia Gatembe kurugiga sinseme chigachiali ensune ebunga ya Burawe county ya Nyamira inche gonkuru kwa Polycarp Okara
Omo senata bwe county ya Nyamira omoske Kongo Mogeni nigo amubolira mugavana bwe county ejo omoske Amos Kimomi Nyaribo amohone serikali yaye bayane kibuna chibesa echo chikobwa tukochiase serikali yanene osukurwa serikali yanene bunango korakire emirimo ekorekana na boigo litukeligo lialero nigo aliko kwana muske Okongo Mogeni kwana samatanga yamo ime yegwodi yaligoma ebunge ya Kitutu Masaba na boigo musenata ojo niganyara kabaga kumochia murobiliosha esanyara kabaga kubolia umurobili yuko nyara kabaga kokorerwa amma unchurulio unago tumanyo mulikito Fatigad Gisemba
Omo seneta bwe county ya Nyamira omoske Eric Okongo Mogeni omuganirie omugavana bwe county ya Nyamira omoske Amos Nyaribo ayenekibuna chibesa ekyo kyabwatu kwakurwa serikali enene ngokorakire amagenderero ayo akorerekana
chibesa bonale tete Nyamira njya kororekana gisi ntwasugete koru 5.2 billion ono chibesa chirichiko bagune serikali enene chaikire 6.3 billion moko ngagere ngo biesayo ne se kyo njire na change rukuru county chinde maite koro mogwakiri na bokoro sio munu kwade tebe nanda ngabangai nari Nyamira ntole magega tabeka na county jinde 10 moto kabai 12 chibesa na chicho mheshimiwa tebe chire 371 million chia magenderero koro sije kitali ya keroka nitabete
hase amagenderero yechipara igoboigo amuburia umugavana Nyaribo kwenekia buna inkwaga chare chipara chirami bune injire yamo yokomesia Nyamira
kini chiri nandi chigotigaro yo minto Nyambega tete musabe mugavana uri umwebere yigwe otwa tagete ngachibesa chiria ayimo kichira kilomita 95 iga otobekero erami kiro mwaka nalikana injenda ile report card bunge ntebe Nyamira yakoreki ya mwamire mugwanjira nabwo
ukwana rituko rya rero ase wodi ya Rigoma chingaki chebirero nigo boigo amochia umoroberio bobo bwenia usha punanigo eserikali yabeire gekubanina abakenya ubusibure bwokonyora obobwenia kubwatikana na chibesa icho mundu aganeirie wakanira amanyakonyora yariogo.
Hii kitu umeleta inaitwa SHA inaumiza wananchi wetu. Mheshimiwa William Ruto, huwezi ambia mwananchi ati unataka alipe SHA mwaka mzima na sisi ni watu wa kuchuna chai tunataka shilingi 800 ndio tutoe 500 tutibio ingine tununue hata unga. Sasa mimi nauliza, hakuna nchi ambayo inachagua rais ati akichukua uwatamu wa uongozi wananchi waumie. Lakini wewe tangu uchukue watu wanalia. Inaikuwaje wewe ulichukua uwatamu wa uongozi ukasema unakuja kutetea asla mwananchi mwenye hako hapa chini, lakini huyu ndiye anaumia zaidi. Mimi nakuomba mheshimiwa, hii miaka umebakisha 2, kama unataka upate nafasi ya kuja kutembea, kubali wananchi walipe SHA kwa mwezi na wasilipe pesa ambayo ni shilingi 500.
Omweri oye nigo agendereire kuburia omugusi agenderere koba maega ya Dr. Fred Matiang'i asiganga yokuria hekerogo kyoburai wense.
Hawa wananchi vile unawaona hivi ndio maana siku hizi wakizungumza wanasema Ruto ni one kwa sababu ya sera zako.
Tunashukuru kwa kazi ile ambayo unatufanyia kama seneta wetu kule Nairobi. Kitu ya pili pia ni kushukuru sana soko wape sia mwana minto moske Dr. Fred Matiang'i toka isene tangambia mano
hiko ripota regatembe kurase wodi ejeiga ya Rigoma ejegotoka mie bunge ya Kitutu Masaba kaunti ya Nyamira Jefatigad Isemba.
Mbewe bunge ya Burabu ime kaunti ya Nyamira omoske Patrick Asero nigo asingirire koboria serikali kobwatoka chigali cy'abanyanyimbo echo kiranyara kobachiko konya ase ogosiria obosali anemono oboibibwe tugo obobogenda takane kigwa gusebwararikande comment kana ase chinsemecho asa matuko abwangoiga ukwana na baliki bamangana omosike Patrick Asero iganyara koba aga koboria goseni ganyara koba gukwana yo mega iyo mosae oyomo ko chererwa chingaki arenge kubwatia gusicingaki arenge kwegerera chiombe chiaye gusetugo yae iyo iyarenge koibwa
egento kemachitiko njanda no buigwe chiombe naende bwansire ngumura narora sitwezara muisonde Jumatano mware Nyansiongo Mission Hospital gaiga nyasaye namakonye tenzare karusiwa mbiyare lakini bone esta ulibona banda bazire guturwani n'ikinsara nanje nadabedia abantu bane bono nya serikali yazigiri gotorenda wegatwirende imbi agero mu muri muno yiga igwete ngombe ngo sokibure ujigoro murangu ensara lakini abo murambari tubegete kuri muinaria tubegete kitochi tubabagore kitochi kibuti kisirimbi n'ikigoti bona basoka bare uino yo mobora stwensara so ngo davye serikali na arikere muri komeni goze marakarenga tana gongira neti ega ari andabeti ngo arenge manga police tana korenta tanga basikana bare mukumye ko bare bwangu isa mangana ya magendero na tebenga number 1 ipare ya renge dia 62 kilometers 62 chirami ukuna kurua makara ya ikaisoge kuisoge ya enda chibirat nde ya ruisoge ya cha kineni ya cha Simbauti ama na kuira na naende kineni yaga na mpaka Kebuse Kahawa memisi yaje kubwate paredi andanai igiye gwenderete bono ikakapisa na igenderete ando mu Chinese yoyo naro renga na maite bakore gasi sababu mnando chika chita ka subcontract abantu batatu ba Chinese bande batatu bono igenderete ni speed nene sana igendu giko abantu baito ko batebi ngiri na abantu baito bangire kuna jemite mitere para ebita mpara bire bono ebita byanzire koyerigwa emete abane yanzire kunacha nuri maite munako nyona chatari ga kunacha chikoni chibabo akunacha eraro sie para ryoka egendereri wanyorongo mutu bwasimegete kare mutu kwa ngoni nene ri 10 ri 20 unyona kirebo bona abantu baito ko bakudirenga mitere para nyirusi ororo ebita bire para rusi ororo eparete
na abasaye gwetani emyemo na 50 kurwa ase ebunge ya West Mugirango abokonya bakonyora migelio a computer nigo litukolera babekerwa egutwa magiga yogokora amasomo abo okwana chinga kiechio omujumbe webunge yu omosike wa KLC omugaka niganyaka bakakuboria abasaye abugwe sokia na gwekarakalia ande muno asense mu mitandao libanyaka bakweroberia na kwenyorera engeria yabo gose engeria yogusukia amatukabo motwe nabo igo nigo umuyego yonyara kabogo ikiranwa no mujumbe omochore omosike Irene Mayaka munago tumanye muri kito Fatika de December
abasaye abo babiri bakanyora amasomo ye computer korase bunge ya West Mugirango nigo rero babekerwa egutwa umuyega oikiranwa no mubunge o West Mugirango Mosque Stephen Mugaka oyo obasegeta abasaye abaiga bare ange emya emo na 50 nomo batumeke obungaini obubarusirie asa masomo ajaiga eryo korya emeremo ase mitandao yekerero
you now are for finding time to take advantage of this offer from Huawei that I'm sure is going to change many lives of the people I am addressing today. I will take this opportunity to congratulate you, to thank you, and to assure you that with what you have now, you are the whole world to conquer. Please get into the online job market, acquire the best jobs, multitask, do 10 jobs in a month. I want to see billionaires, not billionaires, out of these places that you are, and that is my prayer, and I bless you, and thank God, thank you.
Umuyega oyoiga nigo korekana ase skuru yabanyaruka ya Sironga abwase abasaye abo boigo basegetwa n'umwarimu munene w'eskuru eyo Madam Jane Nyanumba igoro yobogima.
So young men, you are our future and women here. We shall never be in these positions forever. And if we fail to empower you, we will have failed the community and the society. Every home that has had an opportunity to have young people always looks forward for a bright future. And those that do not have say, they wish they had somebody to pass on the baton to. We are preparing you to pass the baton over to you. And
Chingaki ejecho nigo mabunge omochore korwase kiama kia ODM omoske Irene Mayaka nigo aira chingaki chiga na gukwanira ubia gokogenderera kobera ase serikali yobwamo.
Any opportunities that are there, we make sure that our people in Nyamira are having those opportunities. Lisa nilikuwa special nasikia ati stima inakuja hapa township. Na siko hapo ku make sure that hiyo stima imefika mpaka Potoshi. Ama soko inafaa ikuje, wanasema watu wa Nyamira wako, nilisema mnangoja serikali inakuja. Kwa hivyo mngoje hiyo serikali na watu wako sawa. Asa ile soko kuna kitu inaitwa a bird in hand is what to in the bush. So allow us to chase this bird that is in hand. Tushikilie kabisa isiende mahali.
Hinko ripota Gatembe kurase skuru eyeiga y'abanyaruka ya Sironga egotoke meye wodi ya Bugichora ebunge ya West Mugirango County ya Nyamira Fatika de December.
na chingakia kanisa yege Adventista egenderete kweroberia elio gutwara ebigutua guchakira rituko riangio nigo abateneri be kanisa yokorwa ase conference ya Nyamira Westfield na boigo eria ya Nyamira guseriende ya Nyamira nigo barigania obokonyi bwa magena korwase omwana siasa Dr. Walter Chanua uyu boigo ogenderete koro kiganga yayo kurigie kirukyo bugavana ime county ya Nyamira asobo chole bonne bo mwaka bwechirwe na 2025 nebere kira ekambi kwetera somorobero nigo yanyorera chikireti ibere chiamagena ayora chikonyara kabakonya ase okugenderera nebigutua ebyo byabo nagotumanya muri kito fatika December
Bosio bwa masabo ahankyo ase chikambi aho ase kanisa yegi Adventista nigo kanisa yeiga anene kurwa ase county ya Nyamira ase conference area ya Nyamira Westfield bari nekibakogokera maiga y'omwana siasa Walter Chanua kubwatoka amagena yebiredi bibere gokyakera ekambi abwase bakageire gochigotwara chikambi emya eyemo na 52 na isato. Nonye nabo kurwase conference ya Nyamira abwo bakageire gochigotwara chikambi emya eyemo 90 na eyemo nigo na barabwo bagochyakoewa amagena chikreti ibere kurwakera ekambi
chigandarata chire 11 katika Nyamira conference ngema tubate chikambi 191 wanako tutaite kwiraneria mugavana ito tarajiwa Honorable Dr. Walter Ngundi Chanua asokorwa magena chikreti ibere as chikambi cheito chons na rerenda so yoko boko garasira bageni elinde banyora kirengi
Ingana yeiga yokubwatoka amagena nigo yakorekana rero abwase ababwatani be kanisa ekiga bagokera na kwarigania amagena ayo
tararenga amagena ari kwanda chikambi cheito kokire sana singencho wa kirani mna kwa tete ngo tere kwari na ndo tere bia esa tiga ko sini ase kwaru sinande bira no naenda bante karaba nyore ndagere na ba ko yuya onye Yesu ari koragiria abantu mna kwari ngana na uno kwa tere bia iga ngabantu bitu mete baragira ngo bita chikangi baragira bia esa tiga ngende gusinya nandi twabasabira mai
igo tukonenga mpia mono asemere meyo na ande no kwasemere bitu nganya sati ande ko sisi ni asarusia na ande bito bira nororo ikiagera akumokoro monene gwitania sukurwa
chingaki echecho nigo batebire igo barache komusira aseganga yaye yokuria ikirogo kyobugabana bwa Nyamira
tomusabira maya Walter Chanua enga ekirogo gakuria kyoburai tigomo na musiseni akenyore ikiagera abokoreri egeragenda kumokora Nyasaye ni chinguru ekera bwatemiri meyo utwamuganiria kierengia twamone chingaki tinyororo na twasenge saga ndeko mubikoro na nemono amwekiria kurigia kunyamono
nabanya saga kimogenderete kuna okore kambi mumunyora samasa na inde kusabira n'intu asentu igaba abana baminto tumuye ndagereje abana banya saga barangira
Ginko reporter agatembe kurwase county yeiga ya Nyamira Njefatigade Hisemba
Monjo moligereri gwikira bona tokorera nsema iga entangani yekyonga chinsa ibere litukerigali rero kone tokwerana kuransa nsema ya kabere nigo togonyara kwa tokwirana ase ukorigereria engwana ya Getembe litukorera rero stokukwanira igoro ya borokigwa abateresa bali kwanya bakoli skuru banyaka bakanyara chigase muna chintani gose kwegera emiremo ase nyagitali kolende getambukiro kyo muwaziri Bobo Chenu omosike Aden Bale Duare kotugutira egati yabo are nigo kyaletire liberera kurwese ekyombe gose kurwesa egati ya borokigwa bwo banyekanete buna nursing interns babire babo nigo bagoikirana gose nigo bekire me studio yaito titunyara ko bato gusangana barabu banyaka bagotwa ebirengerere byabo ali banyaka bagwetera ebirengerere byabo angi babwendete gose ngi babwende ko korabonega na ningi kibwende ko korwase serikali no nyakuru atsikuru kiri bagosoma nabo yego cyase nyagitari kiri banyarete ko abagotomwa nabo yokuruswa kubaroro na egente kenjira kikiranya ko bagego kuna amagimabo asenjira yabene gusasenjira yamo gose eyende igotosiko cyale umwancho umurigarari nigo to gochikwirana se embeo na choeli nyange na kiage oyole abakorugungana nursing intern nabo Isaya Bosire onero ore nursing intern asegeka getaria kanjiri ngoro ku Harun Ototo Nyangiri nigo otobotera nere Wilson Makolkuran sema imanyererio abo ikuran semo ya transmission gakoro kwa fila karili genda gotwara burigerio buya imiyaga Tembe TV ekionga kya musi.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza ya nchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills yuko ya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigirie amabati anda unsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkare eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bagokora mu ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unamono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibigo babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia ye chigage emerongibere na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey Brick Red Tile Red Maroon Sky Blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochkunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gokwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo uchane warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya Ouru Superstores igiye gutoka se nyumba ya Ouru Complex imiyumu chuligo busongo iyo erangene eduka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Hazan Mega Wholesalers asentundende nande nigo yirenire buya nande biyemono asentundiye nigo egokoneria ebintu aserigori erianse kegema asetauniga ya Busongo koni bare ebintu asensemo ya electronics na electricals chibirika chibasi chiestima chiufa TV tabletop cookers microwave dispenser blender radio chichararani blow dry socket cable bulb bulb holder heater nebinde ebinge phone accessories na charger USB cables earphones wireless ports nechiseme asensemo ya household nkoni bari chisane thermos ebikombe ebirogo chibesin nebinde ebinge asenseme ya cosmetics koni bari body lotion spray air food makeup kits sabuni nebinde ebinge koni bare soda nechi juice asensemo elia hardware koni bare power saw generator piano nechi amplifier mixer public address systems nyange solar panel naboigo asensemeli ya stationery koni bare geometrical set irangi jebikoroto chikaram calculator rubber nechi toy semoyende nkoni bali tissue papers chisavet chidapa sanitary towels nechi toothpaste karutari kwiba toothbrush boigo nkoni bali fridge agirira unyare kwigurira ebintu biga aserigo lyanse. Hazan Wholesalers nigo egokora free delivery usinige okuratira ebintu gurite asosao wika asure asorgongo rwonsi rwa Nyanza. Nige gotoka ase enyumba ya Gisembo Building ange na Smart Lady. I guess it roundabout ya Busongo. Asa mange kwana na director o Hassan Wholesalers ase ogo kairigori na maburi ande amange oratware. Sin number 0722 237187. Asegeka k'emyaka 49 ebenki ya Kenya pamoja sako yabere n'umugusi negukinya umugusi ase eningo yae yabere gekurwa obukorere ase kinse mu buno savings loans obosemi bwo gutumika kibesam na diaspora savings ase bali kinse chimaiko ase wa Kenya pamoja sako yabere osira okonene ase abalemi ebyumbe chiskuru chikampani ao abarikire abaritayire basibaliye nsemo ya pension boygo abonchereria ibotani na Kenya pamoja sako yonyore obukoreri ubuya ase kinse mubuna obosemiguru y'ubutumiki bw'ikibesa chilon bunam development loans, school fees loans, emergency loans, ebyumbe business loans, salaried loans na boygochi advance loans boygon korantura muri kibesa ase uri kuse mobile payments kabe oyomo wa Kenya pamoja sako iliyobwego kerie ayo onsi na yande amange amaya asamange patarire chiabis chiabo chire asumu chubusongo kahawa house raja moja asipara ya kisi sotik sibakire simyasi namba 0746-668-190 kuse ototarire website yetu www.kenyapamojasako.com.
Njama lieta ngoro kwa Isako Mwenga, CEO wa Kenya Pamoja Sako. Sako ya Wakenya Pamoja ni sake kushughulikira members baye na chigurupu chiria chigokora savings gonko bakira bia isoko chara Wakenya Pamoja Sako kune financial institution yao tobwate chipranchi chito ikomena inya chire within gusi wanaintu toro konyo mugusi soko gendereria ese ebiasara byabo ase sako na gosebwa ase sake ese bali batara join please njubwango mo join tukini esako yeito bagusi yeito esa magendo wa Kenya Pamoja you our concern.
Ne noganye gukorerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media cha Getembe nubwate misangirikano ya gisiasha amatanga chinyangi chibirthday misangirikano yechikanisa baby shower anniversaries gose ekinyoro kinyomo enyangi gusuko kwa kuyomino emijega ao bunabono housewarming parties engagement parties egatie binde bige bono Getembe television network nero ego kwayega ashirigo lidio gotugutera ninchwe omurikirwe ye masege munaba manyi baitabo bare no bamanyi baigoro igeti byetibwate signal ere enkongo iyigwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganetie omurikirwe nabukulika jumbenge wego gwitira semeria WhatsApp gosigu yake simi gwitira namba 0741499726
Yokomboli umwanone kiririjane
gusie bono na bukwegokia asogo sonja TV ya wanje tea Getembe television network wetera Zuku satellite channel number 038 egoki nimrulu ao ya Getembe television network ayene amatiao kuli miensi ya Kenya ili ya Tanzania Uganda Malawi wikanonya Zambia egulere edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chimereka je Christmas amono guchingira ku mwaka muya ili wego kinemrulu yetu ao inyoranga nigo okonyora channel ya Getembe gwetera ase Zuku Satellite channel number 038 Getembe Television Network ekeonga kia Mwamogusi.
Mwanju muligere karibu asensema iga eye enkwana ya Getembe muna natia gukomanya nigo tugukwana igoro ya internship ya borokigwa bali bagosomera obo Teresa gose nursing abo banyakoba bagotwara umuchanda samatuka atari make gosase kyabangoiga kubwatakana amone getambukiro kyo muwasiri bwa obo chenu omoske Aden Bare Duare kyo gutuguterare egati ya marieta ya borokigwa abo gose abanyagitari abo bagosomera obanyagitari na asende nimbwatali rube elimo elia yomobo uyo nyatoka baga kolikolo belio kwa niapa eseri sign dio tangeli sign kwa niapa ye principal secretary ya amangana aeridi uyo korunga ke Sian John Ero signeti se liukelio neliukelio kemo kiabo liko kwano mwancho muligerali liko tebanga ase number 5 niko liko tebanga a certified copy or certified copies of certificates KCPE, KCSE, diploma and a bachelor's degree. Se erigete se bachelor's degree bakabwa into brackets bakalikanga original letter of completion. Ose lirubelio korkinga wa kodire eskuru. Na iga muno omochanda moro mwancho muligere ko bwatekananga nigo serikali gwetereso muwasiri oyo omoski Aden Bare Duare ene ko gututrale amalieta ange chimi isato na 50 nomo una ngomanyigwa ya balia bakote gusaba maika tumna nursing interns ase studio litukolia lero nigonde na bagende babere abo bali nursing interns se oyo makamaika na Joel Nyange na kiage nabo igesa yabo sira tunyara ko batokoligerelia ali nzachinde baranya ko bagokwana ko bwatakana amono murubero yo mugima kondeli tangana kigima litukolie goro to kwantene gati ya boroke kwabo abanyagitari abo abateresa abo yakara bono onsina yabo na boroke ko bale sense ya mose yende na nde na bono na abo bakolire skuru abande na abande bakaja banya ko bakoto mwasi skuru banya ko bakora obokoleri muna chintani chine gati chingwana chiri cyanya ko bachiko tonya takwa to chi bwata litukolie goro chinga tonya ko bato gosanga negati ya bwatani ba aboroke wabo.
This is uncalled for, this is unlawful, and we are actually disappointed with the CS because of what he has done. Actually, with our institutions, they are the ones who have, we have been verified by them. So right now, what we are asking from the Minister of Health, just redo the process and find the best solution to look into this matter at hand. Don't rush into making decisions that are going to cost the lives of Kenyans, because we are dealing with lives, not any other cadre.
A lot of us parents have really tried supporting us into this. Right now is 1 month. We've used resources for transport, paying rent, deposits, coming from wherever we are coming from to be here. All this is costly, and we can't reverse it back. And even reversing it right now where we are, we don't know what to do, because even that transport for going back home, evacuating, we don't have, and we don't know where it's going to come from. Yes. Our parents really relied on us, and right now they were looking forward for us, and right now they don't even know what to do. Some of us are even scared of telling them, like, sorry, it's not the way you guys thought. So kindly reconsider. And this issue of saying that one has to be a graduate, it doesn't make sense, because what if I never graduated just because I didn't have the financial potential to pay for that graduation? Graduation is very expensive. Where will I get the 13K to pay for that? For example, the gown is 13,000. Where will I get that to pay for it? Is this payment for that is upcoming that I was looking for, so that I can at least from it take it and pay for it, so that I can graduate and get my license.
So we are telling the Ministry of Health that we will continue giving services. We are not coming for the revocation letters, and we need reinstatement with immediate effect.
Gwana chia igati yabo bakwe murungania rituko orie igorondo chebosire no ari ngoyo mobo ase bari barabwanya tinda mubwekani bobe karengine era ndete chake nere litangani kima kumanye murigererio ito elieta liao na eskuru wasomete na ase kwanya tukabaga gutomoje.
Kwa majina naitwa Isaiah Bosire. Mimi ni mwanafunzi wa chuo kikuu cha Baraton. Na niliweza kutumwa hapa Kisii Referral and Teaching Hospital.
Ongea kwa sauti kidogo.
Sawa, niliweza kutumwa hapa Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital.
So wewe ni kwa ai imaramisheni yenye hapo ni is from your end. Ni kama uja graduate ama shida ni gani kwako personally?
Sasa hapa shida kwa ukiangalia kwa serikali Ministry of Health inasema kwamba wameweza ku revoke hizi letters because hatuja graduate. Lakini ukiangalia kwa hiyo offer letter walitupea, unaona kwamba hizo requirements zote tuko nazo. Kwanza hapo na article hiyo number 5 tutakuwa kuona kwamba wamesema lazima upeane degree ama uweze kupeana completion letter. Kwanza hiyo completion letter wameiweka in bold. So leo hii wanaamka wanatuambia hawajui kuhusu hiyo completion letter. Tunasikitika sana.
Yes, Elijah. Na wewe tukirudi kwa upande wako, umesoma shule gani na uliwekwa katika hospitali gani?
Okay. Inche nkoro ku Joel Nyangena Kiage. I have in the University Baraton. And I was posted in Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital. One almost under 2 na nursing internship. Today I want us to take this time so that we bring it to an end.
So mlikuwa mmeripoti, mlikuwa mmeingia kazi ama? So ina simple way naomba uchore picha sasa. Image kwamba mlikuwa mmepewa barua na serikali kwamba mmechaguliwa kama interns, mmesign documents, mmeingia kazi, mmeanza kufanya kazi. Mchore picha sasa, hii taswira.
Okay, now 1st July, as per the offer letter, tumeandikiwa that is the official reporting date. We went to the Ministry of Health, picked those offer letters as the way the Minister of Health said. Wano tukaruabo, tukamanya ko report to our hospitals. We have been there others have been there for 3 weeks, others for 2 weeks. And you can calculate all the expenses. Una mwaligerelia a clip keli, those are sons and daughters of Abantu. And Abantu, they have trust in their daughters and sons. They have invested a lot of resources in this internship. That is where I want us to draw that picture from.
So in a way that personally mnaye warute Baraton for example kwa chile kwa ligi nyomba basongo kwe bangire kwa chake komenya muno mukoli gasi weje kitaja Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital. Na information yenga kiaje te kuikirenga bono insa chinde your tojiro kosu deployment kose placement ya beire revoked.
Ekerona, in fact, I was working in Kisii Teaching and Referral. Intara akora na one shift. And I want this thing to be captured clearly. The way so many people have taken it, I think they have taken it wrongly. Point number 1, we were very eligible for this internship as per the offer letter and the Nursing Council of Kenya requirements. Number two, in the hospital, I was working. I was assisting these patients to get better, and then I receive a message that my internship letter has been revoked. That was so hurtful, and so many of my friends, my colleagues, that they became depressed. Yeah. And another thing we need to look into is this issue of completion and graduation. Now, I want to bring it clearly. For you to have a completion letter, it means that you have undergone the clinical, the qualifications inside the class, you have done the exams, and you have passed. So the only thing that is remaining is that gown ceremony. The gown ceremony that, for example, in my university, for that graduation gown, you have to you pay 13,000 to get it. To do this gown ceremony. You see, that is the only thing that was remaining. The university approved and certified us as completed students from that university that are ready to serve the nation and the patients to get better using the skills that we have acquired. Yeah.
So before tuende kwa Bosire, na wakati ulipata ujumbe ulikuwa wapi? Ulikuwa kazi, ulikuwa kwa nyumba, ulikuwa na shughuli gani?
Nilikuwa posted in a ward of psychiatry. Psychiatry is where we deal with mental patients. And there I'm taking care of people who are depressed. I'm taking care of people who have schizophrenia. That is a disease it's a part of the mental illness. Other people who have bipolar mood disorders. So all those people who are suffering mentally, I was taking care of them. And then while taking care of them, Don inapata that message. And I almost became admitted.
You almost turned from a doctor
to become a depressed patient. So that was so up to now. You know, that message came a day ago. And I have had a lot of hard time to talk to.
On Wednesday.
Yeah, and I have had a very hard time to tell my parents what has happened, because my parents took loans. My parents sold the property that we had, because for you to go for this offer letter, we were traveling all the way from here in Kisii to Nairobi, go pick that letter, come back. Can you imagine? There is someone in the farthest part of Kenya, Garissa, is using the expenses to go pick that offer letter, and maybe is not posted around Garissa. Is going to another part of the country. You can imagine that expense. And then the letter has been revoked on grounds that they have not attended a gown ceremony, but they are eligible.
In a way ni kusema kwamba hii sherehe hakuna kitu inaongeza kimasomo kwako kama mtu ambaye amesomea haya mambo ya nursing, lakini ndio imetumika kama excuse ya kurevoke placement letters zenu. Na Bosire, kutoka kwa from your end, ulikuwa wapi wakati ulipata hii barua na ulipokea aje?
Nilikuwa nimetoka hospitalini.
Ulikuwa umemaliza kazi ya siku?
Nilikuwa nimemaliza kazi ya siku. Nikaenda kwangu, nikafanya shughuli zangu za nyumba. Sasa sikuwa nimeingia kwenye mtandao. So sikuwa nimeingia online. So late in the night, around 10 pale, the first thing getting online, what I get is this circular that my letter has been revoked. To me it came as a surprise. Nilishtuka sana. Nikashangaa nini inaendelea hapa. because this came as a surprise, because we were very surprised because the grounds on which they were revoking this letter was that was the interesting thing. Sababu tunaona pale wanasema kwamba wametutoa kazi kwa sababu hatujaweza ku graduate. So na ukiangalia the offer letter, they are in fact they stated bold they stated kwamba you need a completion letter in the event, in the case where you don't have a degree certificate. So to me it felt that we've been wronged. It felt that kwamba we've not given the right to fair administrative action, which is against the Article 47 of the Kenyan Constitution. Na kwamba kila mtu tuko very disappointed. Na kwamba ukiangalia kwamba unapata kuna mtu alikuwa wengine hawakujua until sasa the next morning.
Na labda kuuliza tu kwa kutaka kujua zaidi, hii barua ilikuwa na nafasi yako kupewa nafasi ujitetee ama ilikuja ikiwa final kwamba your placement has been revoked and that's final?
Hii barua ilikuja kwamba inakuamuru. It's a directive, you have no choice. Saying that you've been dismissed immediately, kwamba utoke hii hospitali with immediate effect.
Urudi nyumbani,
utoke kwa hiyo urudi nyumbani, utoke within the internship center. So wanasema utoke within the internship center na urudishe your offer letter Nairobi by tarehe moja of which ni leo. So
urudishe barua hii, urudishe physically. Leo deadline ilikuwa ni leo. So imagine this scenario where by somebody releases a circular to revoke your internship in the evening. Sababu alitoa hii information ilitufikia 6 in the evening. So 6 in the evening Wednesday, and they expect you to be in Nairobi with your offer letter returning to the MOH by Friday. That is very unfair and inconsiderate. Kwamba umefanya kazi karibu mwezi mzima, haujalipwa, ndio hiyo umeendea barua na pesa yako, tena urudishe na pesa yako, tena urudi na pesa yako. Na hapo sasa tena kesho ujui ni nini unafanya, ndio mgoje maybe next step. Now the interesting thing here is that the revocation letter, they sent it via email, but they want you to return your offer letter physically. This is like a humiliation ritual. Wanataka wakudhalilishe, wakuaibishe. So na kwa haya yote wakati tunayazungumzia, tunaangalia kwamba mubwate byombe ekiomegero kia Kenya National Union of Nurses kwa nyamwasoiro robna jintani kusema ngo saka ramwasoire mirimo mubwato bwa matani kiombe munekeo ni mastera ya service na tukiendelea na sema kwamba mnaweza kuwa mnataka mtu wa kuwatetea labda. So hii process ya kutetea mko na labda watu wa kuwazungumzia, kama jana tumeona wengine wameongea kwa wamezungumza kwa TV saa hii, na apart from hao kuna hivi vyama vya madaktari labda vyenye vinaweza kuwa vinawatetea kwa njia moja ama nyingine, ama mlikuwa mmeingia huko, ama kuna mtu amejitokeza kwamba kuzungumza kwa niaba yenu isipokuwa nyinyi wenyewe ama interns? Kwanza tuko na chama ni chama cha Kenya Union of Nurses. Hiki chama so far hawajasema kitu ya maana, something substantial kututetea, na tunasikitika sana because they're the first people who expect to defend us, because we've been revoked illegally. And we say we've been revoked illegally because ukiangalia hapo wamesema kwamba completion letter can suffice in the absence of a degree certificate. Leo hii wanaamka wanasema hiyo kwamba it is not grounds for you to be posted. Sasa ninashangaa, when they posted us, they verified our documents. Even pale MOH, they stated clearly that when they told you to arrange your documents to submit these documents, there's an order. And in that circular, they've clearly stated that they've stroked the degree certificate with a completion letter. Now sahi tunakuwa revoked, na ukisikia waziri wa afya akiongea anasema kwamba
wanahitaji degree, sio completion letter. Lakini huu wakati wote huu mwezi mzima wamekuwa na hizi makaratasi zetu. They've had our documents. They know very well that we've not graduated. They have a completion letter. So why now? Why revoke our letters now? And they've had this information all this time.
Na Joel, sasa tukuje kwa Joel, kwa mtazamo wako, au watu wote, kuna hii changamoto yote inahusu watu, inahusu nyinyi, inahusu shule ama university mahali mnasomea, inagusa serikali, inagusa chama cha Kenya National Union of Nurses, na inagusa the whole sector ya medical ama health sector. Ni nani hasa wa kulaumiwa katika huu mchakato wote sasa?
Okay, so jibu yangu it is very simple. Number one, the interns that were revoked, they underwent verification. Nataka mark that. Re-verification, and then they were posted. See? Another thing, we come to that is, verification process is done by the Nursing Council of Kenya. When it comes to posting, that one is done by the Ministry of Health. Now, a problem comes where these interns that you have verified, you have put them through steps, you yourself, together with the Ministry of Health, that was also a champion in that. The two of them wanashirikiana, and then they come later and then they say you are ineligible for these tasks that we assigned you. So what the people to blame is the Nursing Council of Kenya, and also we need to blame the Ministry of Health. Yeah.
In a way, have you done a complaint to the Nursing Council? Have you reached to the Nursing Council in an official way that maybe you've been wrong there and you are not happy with whatever that has happened?
We have written letters addressing the Ministry of Health and also addressing the Nursing Council of Kenya. So they have information about what is going on officially. Yeah.
And they have not responded?
They have not responded. As we speak today, a group of interns who are revoked illegally, today they were in the Ministry of Health and in the Nursing Council of Kenya offices. They have not been given any feedback, and we are disappointed in that. As we speak right now, they are still in Nairobi. They are still in Nairobi, trying to find answers to this. That is really painful. Yeah.
Na kuna tuseme kuna kamati ya mambo na afya katika tuseme katika bunge, katika seneti, kuna viongozi wa kawaida, kama kwa mfano kuna wabunge kutoka maeneo ya Kisii, kuna maseneta, ama kuna viongozi wengine labda wangeingilia kwa njia moja ama nyingine waweze kuona vile watasukuma ili muweze kusaidika kutoka na hii changamoto. Kuna wenye wamewafikia ama kuna wenye reach out?
As we speak, hatujapata hata mmoja. And I want to make this clear to the nation. I think the camera, I want to make it clear to the nation that this is a time we need to change the nursing internship in Kenya. We need to, first of all, we need we want those letters that were revoked to be reinstated. That is point number one. Number two, we want to make this profession to be to have a better future. And another thing is, before you come up with a decision, make sure that you give a time frame so that others can give their input on that. Yeah, so we should like to invite the people who can assist in this so that they help us in this fight so that we get reinstated.
Mupate haki yenu.
Yeah.
Simple terms.
Yeah,
Bosire,
sure.
mumefanya kazi, some for 3 months, some for 4 months, or thereabout. And in one way or the other, you need to be compensated. Ama reimbursed, something like that. At least something needs to be seen, to be done about it, the whole issue. Kwa sababu, siwezi sema kwamba kuna mtu anatarajia kwamba kwa sababu imekuwa revoked so you go home and relax. So in one or the other, kuna ile hatua mmechukua labda ya kutafuta legal redress ama kutafuta labda kuenda kotini, labda kujaribu kufuatilia kwamba hii kazi tumefanya kwa muda tumefanya, tutapata nini kwa sababu hakuna kazi ya bure nayo.
Yeah, kwamba kitu ya kwanza kwamba the first and foremost it is that before we seek compensation we want to be reinstated. Hiyo ndio jambo la dharura. The most important thing ndio hiyo. We want to be reinstated. No, if worst comes to worst then tutaka be compensated because
in worst case scenario ndio
ndio
compensation, lakini kwa sasa mnataka
turudishwe na kurudishwa peke yake. Turudishwe tuendelee na kazi because we've been sacrificed a lot. Napata kwamba mtu ametoka kwa ni Garissa, amewekwa Busia, amekuwa akifanya kazi huku hii mwingine mwezi. So tunataka turudishwe kazini. In the worst case scenario, kama haitafaulu, watu wakuwe compensated.
So another thing ningependa kuongeza hapo, the idea of all this is we are not actually seeking compensation. What we want urgently is the nursing interns that were revoked to go back to work. That is point number 1. Point number 2, if there is compensation, it should be when we are in work.
Wakati mmeingia kazi tayari.
Kabisa. Yeah, because we have undergone a lot of psychological torture. And if they want to compensate us, they need to compensate us for that psychological torture. And at the same time, we should be, kazi ikuwe inaendelea. Yeah, that is the main goal. Yeah.
Na wakati nilikuwa napitia habari kuhusu huu mchakato wote, nipata kwamba ni wanafunzi karibu 361. Sijui kama ilikuza kila shule ama ni shule specific ama shule zingine haikuguza. Kwa ile grupu yenu ama wakati mnakutana, wakati mnafuatilia, imegusa kila shule?
This revocation touched a number of institutions. So far we have 15 institutions that have been touched by that, and we are very sorry for that, and we are not happy about that. And the number of students that have been revoked illegally, I want to make this one clear. It is 306. 306 interns ndo wamekuwa revoked illegally. And those are the ones that we want them to go back to work. Yeah.
Na hii inaweza kaa personal kidogo. Ulielezea hapo mbeleni kwamba maybe hakuna tofauti kati ya mtu mwenye amemaliza shule na mwenye amegraduate. Wewe Joel, ulielezea hiyo vizuri sana Joel ama Elijah?
Joel. Yeah.
Ulielezea vizuri nikaweza kukupata. Kwa upande wa serikali, when you look at the government or the Ministry of Health, what difference do you think wanaona kwa mtu mwenye amegraduate na mwenye amemaliza shule?
That one is actually that is now the problem, but the answer is very simple. Number 1, completion of letter.
Completion letter.
Yeah, when you have completed a program and you have a letter of completion, hiyo inamaanisha that you have undergone all the required process in that particular course. You have done all the exams. You have undergone all the assessments. You have passed. You are qualified for that. You have been certified that you have done the required work. So you are ready to do the job.
Ni sherehe tu inabakia.
Yeah. Graduation on the other hand is now like adding some, you are adding spices.
On the cake, something like that.
You are adding spices to this thing that you have done, but now publicly, so that the world can see you. Yeah. You see, now that is now the difference. Yeah. But as per the offer letter and the nursing internship policies, you use a letter of completion, or you use a degree certificate. Yeah. And another thing I want to say is during this, because I stated earlier that we underwent verification and a re-verification. In verification, they sent a list from the Nursing Council of Kenya, indicating eight criteria that you have to undergo so that you are eligible. And ningependa sana ikuwe projected so that the public can see. We don't have to talk in theories hasa. Yeah. In that
director nanye kwa bwate bije unaboko yebeka wese screen ki taganda kunya gukwanira ama ngana ya revocation ya nursing interns sasa je nyekitali ime ya serikali ya Kenya kusemia ya Kenya iyo yanya kwa kiwa magigayo guchika kurwase wizara y'obachenu oyo etenere muwasiri Aden Bare Edware chinga kitaganda kunya ko nya rigereri na gwikira boniga ama boniga abamino mwata bangamba kale Nairobi batakeri kwira ni amaruba yaiga deadline kwa leo kurudisha. So nyinyi wanu wote hata mko hapa sasa. So what happens to you? Nini ninafanyika na barua zenu ama kuna vile mnaweza peana siku kwa niaba yenu ama sasa nyinyi wenyewe hatua gani mnachukua? Tuanze na Bosire.
Kwamba hizi barua sisi hizi barua we don't intend to return these letters to the MOH because sisi we've been revoked illegally. Kwamba hiyo sababu haitoshi kututoa kazini. Kwamba wanasema we've been revoked because hatuja graduate. Lakini kuongelea kwa the posting letter wanasema a completion letter can do the job. So that is a breach on the terms and conditions that we signed there. That paper, the posting letter is signed by the public sector, the PS, na sisi wenyewe tunaweka signature yetu pale kwamba tumekubaliana na hayo na hayo maneno wamesema, the terms and conditions. So to us ni kwamba wame breach those terms and conditions. So meaning that is to us that is illegal and that is a violation of our rights. Yeah.
Na labda tukienda kumalizia, ningependa mweke ombi lenu rasmi kwa wale wote wenye wanatazama runinga ya Gatembe TV wakati huu, ili kwamba kama kuna vile wanaweza wasaidia ama kuna vile wanaweza ingilia na ili waweze kutatua hii changamoto ambao mnapitia wakati kwa kama tuanze na wewe Joel.
Kwanza nakushukuru for this opportunity. Number one is we want the public to come into this so that these nursing interns that have been there are letters that have been revoked, the rudi kazi. That is point number one. Number two, if you are doubting, these interns are highly qualified. They are highly qualified to do the work. So the public and any person that is watching this right now, we call for your support in this so that we push and we get justice. Yeah, these are the future nurses, and we can't hatuwezi maliza their dream. Yeah, and another thing is vile niko hivi, I'm a son of someone, and that someone has really sacrificed a lot, right from when I was born up to this time. And this was the time that I could also say thank you to my parents, thank you to the society. And now you can see the dream is getting lost because my letter has been revoked, illegally. So we request whoever is watching this, the Union of Nurses, the Kenya Medical, all those organizations to come in and help us push this.
Thank you, Bosire.
Kwanza tunashukuru kwa kutupa hii fursa hapa. So leo sikuja hapa ilikuwa ni kwamba tuweze kuambia watu pale nyumbani na umati na this country kwamba we've been wronged hapa, and that the 3 or 6 interns whose letters were revoked on Wednesday night, kwamba it was revoked illegally, na kwamba watu pale nyumbani wasiweze kudanganyika. Though unasikia watu wanasema these interns walikuwa illegally placed. Na sisi tunasema huo ni uongo, kwa sababu the grounds on which we revoked those letters ni kwamba hatuja graduate, na tumeprove kwamba graduation kwa the terms and conditions haikuwa lazima. It is not a requirement. It is a requirement that is stroked in a completion letter. So ukiwa na completion letter ni sawa, ukiwa na hii degree, certificate of degree ni sawa. Na kuwa na completion letter imaanishi haujahitimu kwa kuwa muuguzi. Inamaanisha kwamba umemaliza shule, umemaliza na your program, the only thing imebaki ni kwamba haujapata ile fursa ya kugraduate. Na kwamba nataka niseme kwamba hii ilikuwa ni unfair because you find that other institutions wako na like let's say 2 graduations in a year. So unapata mtu alimaliza shule last year December, but graduation ilikuwa August. But hii shule nyingine unapata mtu alimaliza shule November, graduation ikakuwa December, akagraduate. Leo hii the CS of health anasema kwamba that because huyu mwenye aligraduate ako more eligible than me, na wote tulimaliza kwanza, mimi tulimaliza at the same time, ile kwamba yeye alipata fursa ya kugraduate mapema sababu shule yake unapata una graduate even twice a year. So kwamba watu wasidanganyike, nataka tuelimisha watu pale nyumbani kwamba tumeweza kuadhirika na kwamba waweze kutusikiza, kwenye wanaweza tusaidie kupush kwamba we've been wrong here, na tuweze kukua reinstated, ndio tuweze kuenda pale hospitalini na tuweze give these critical services to this country, na tuweze kuhudumia watu.
Na shukuru sana kwa nani pia kupata nafasi kuja kusaidiana na sisi ili kuelezea hili jambo ambalo limekuwa likizungumziwa na wengi sana. Sijui kama Joel alizungumza kuhusu wazazi, sijui kama kuna ujumbe labda ungetuma kwa wazazi. Si lazima uwe wazazi wako pekee, bali kwa wazazi wa wale wote ambao umehusika katika mchakato mzima.
Ningependa kuambia wazazi ya kwamba this is a very painful moment to your sons and daughters, and we need to be supported. And when I say we need to be supported, is put us in prayers, and also you help us push so that we get justice. So that is something that has really eaten into our minds.
And last word maybe.
Kitu ingine ningependa kusema ni ya kwamba I can always talk about graduation and how institutions do their graduations. You know, each and every institution ama university, they have dates for graduation. Others can do this one once per year, ama others can do it twice, depending on the number of graduates and the intakes. So for maybe, for example, my university, this graduation is done once in a year. And you know, it is done in the month of August. Let's say you have finished everything the month of 1 month later. after that August. You have to wait until the next year. You see? So we have done everything, and we really pray that everyone who is watching this asipate any misinformation that these 306 interns when walikuwa revoked they are ineligible. The 306 they were very eligible, and I requested earlier for that that list to be projected so that the public can see the process that we underwent. Yeah.
Tutatafuta njia ya kuiweka vipi ilikuwa ikachanganya kidogo.
Sawa.
One way or the other itafika, ujumbe utafika. Na vile tulikuwa tumeanza kutoka jana, tumefikisha ujumbe na ujumbe tutafikisha. Hiyo tunatoa ahadi. Bosire, jambo lako la mwisho tukimalizia.
Nataka kusema kwamba sisi tumeshukuru kwa hapa, na kwamba nataka ni clarify this final issue kwamba kuna the ministry iliweza kurevoke before sisi 42 interns walikuwa wanasema hao kwa wamemaliza shule, majina yao ilipatikana pale, na kwamba watu wasiweze confuse these two. Hiyo if at all an intern amepatikana kwamba hajaweza kumaliza shule, hajaweza kumaliza kila kitu ambacho inastahili, ni sawa, afai kwenda for internship. But if you are done with school, you are done with everything, kama the 3 or 6 interns ambao tunaongelea hapa sasa hivi, ambao sisi tuko ndani ya hawa the 3 or 6, is that we've been revoked illegally on the basis that we've not graduated, na hiyo kwamba tumeweza kudhihirisha hapa bayana kwamba hiyo ni illegal na unlawful, sababu kwa the terms and conditions of your contract walikuwa wamesema completion letter / degree. So sisi tunasema kwamba tumeweza kuachishwa kazi illegally, kinyume cha sheria.
Asante sana, nimeshukuru sana kwa kupata nafasi kuja kwa studio zetu za Gatembe TV. Mwanzo murigereri yo nengwana ya Gatembe eze twanyaraka batogusanga irabene na bateresa nchoyali nyange na kiege nabo igisa Bosire abanyataka bakorwa marube abo gusama ruba abo gusoko wemerimo kwabo gotuguterwale kuna chintani ase enyagitari ya KC Teaching and Referral Hospital. Unabati gotomanya niko baringe aba bwatani ekimi 35 nomo 306 ayo malita abanya takaba kurusibwa na bako bakamanyigwa ngabanya yakaba bagwikirana abosio wasabago ko bamuru baje masaya mwika somoche o Nairobi abono niko baganyita senchire ya Mungu seyende barore gosenganya bare obone bwabo na munabanya yakaba bagokwana ukira muna tokorere ngwana ya Gatembe litkulia lero toberande chitanya samangana maya yekiunga chinsenye jeni ngoro kwa roni toto nyangiri kuno semo ya transmission nikatogotera na rafira kariri na boigo maiga yechi kamera ninga kwa Wilfred Matundra genda gotoro boligo ya Gatembe TV yekiunga kya Mungusi.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo gurigarua South Nyanza yanchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills yuko ya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda onsialia utagiti showroom yeto nigo engale iyuerengia na boigo ekogokie liso lyao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bagakora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende kyonsi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills iko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibego babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama mabati alia ye chigage emeronge bere na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayogo chana Roman Jinko nabo igo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabonelia Chaco Grey, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue nabo igo na green. Obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukwenya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase MRM showroom onyare kabo gokwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchane warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumu chuligo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera ase namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Hazan Mega Wholesalers asentundende nande nigo yirenire buya nande biyemono asentundiye nigo egokonelia ebintu aserigori ryanse kegema asetauniga ya Busongo koni bare ebintu asensemo ya electronics electricals chibirika chibasi chiestima chiufa TV tabletop cookers microwave dispenser blender radio chichararani blow dry socket cable bulb bulb holder heater nebinde ebinge phone accessories na charger USB cables earphones wireless port